Welcome. If you've ever found yourself annoyed by the extra confirm before sending pop-up in the Gmail app, you're not alone. That little safeguard is helpful for some, but it can slow you down, especially if you're confident in your messages and want to streamline your email routine. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable the confirm before sending option in Gmail's general settings, so you can send emails faster and with fewer interruptions. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap that. A menu will slide out from the left. From here, scroll down until you see the Settings option towards the bottom of the list. Tap on Settings to open up all your Gmail account preferences. Next, you'll see a list of your Gmail accounts. Instead of tapping on a specific email address, look for General Settings and tap on it. This section manages settings that apply to the whole Gmail app, not just one account. Once you're inside General Settings, scroll down until you see Action Confirmations. This is where Gmail lets you add or remove extra steps before taking important actions. Find the option that says Confirm before sending. If the box next to Confirm before sending is checked, that means the feature is on, which is why you're seeing that pop up before every send. To turn it off, simply tap on the box and make sure it's no longer checked. That's it. You've now disabled the Confirm before sending pop-up in Gmail. From now on, when you tap Send, your email will go out right away. No extra confirmations needed. If you ever change your mind and want that extra confirmation back, just repeat these steps and turn the option back on. Thanks for watching.